Charming lakefront offers first-floor living and finished walkout basement. Newer hardwood floors sweep across this open floor plan. Living room to dining and sitting area. Kitchen opens to spacious deck. 2 main bedrooms and full bath on first floor. Lower level walkout boasts family room, bedroom, bonus room, laundry room, workshop and storage area and opportunity for full bathroom. Walkout to lower level lakefront with dock. Tranquil views to the scenic island. Toss in your kayak or hop on your motorboat. Take a stroll, bike ride or run around the private lake community offering several beaches and clubhouse. Commuter location just off RT 15 and minutes to restaurants and shops. Swim, fish, boat, ice skate and more. Escape to this very special lake house and enjoy year-round living, low taxes and be in for this summer.